My name is Rodgeir Vinsrig. I'm a Norwegian doctor who has, for many years, worked inside and outside of hospitals. I am speaking here about the so-called Ingebrigtsen case to be held in Sandnes Court from March the 24th, which is quite soon. The case has generated great interest in the media worldwide, and the court has arranged for a media centre in the court. It is planned that the trial should last a little less than 2 months. The trial of Anders Behring Breivik, following the massacre on July the 22nd, 2011, lasted a little more than 2 months. This is the team in the Shada case speaking. The main actors in the Ingebrigtsen case, they are the police in Stavanger, the district attorney, the court in Sandnes, are all involved in hiding the murder of a child, about which I shall now speak.
Disse tre hovedaktørene er alle involvert I å skjule et barnedrap.
This is a Norwegian death certificate. Shada, the child, died in Stavanger in 2019 in the same police area in which the Ingebrigtsen family lives. She was found in a pool of blood with severe external injuries. The death certificate is supposed to describe what happened to her and is used by different institutions such as the autopsy service and the registry of deaths and so on. The alleged doctor who signed this death certificate doesn't work anywhere, has no telephone number, has no ID number. This doctor does not exist.
Denne testen godkjent av kommuneoverlegen I Stavanger.
The death certificate is signed by the head doctor in Stavanger municipality and was accepted by the court serving the Stavanger area. This is a fake death certificate seeking to cover the murder of a child. My team has forwarded a letter to lawyers Eldon and Larsen, who represent the children Jakob and Ingrid Ingebrigtsen, and the father Gjert Ingebrigtsen, who is accused of violence against his own children. A signal from the court that this case has high priority. This also applies to the police in Stavanger and the district attorney, who have devoted considerable resources to this case.
Og politiet I Stavanger. Det gjort en betydelig etterforskning og lagt inn store ressurser på å planlegge en rettssak som nå skal pågå I nesten 2 måneder. Dette brevet sendt fordi at teamet I Shada-saken vil gjøre partene oppmerksom på.
The letter is forwarded from the Shada team to expose that those prosecuting the case are already hiding the murder of a child.
Mange synes at dette henger veldig dårlig sammen.
Most people find this inconsistent, raising the question of the competence of the court, the police and the district attorney. It seems peculiar to most people that those exhibiting such high concern for violence against children should simultaneously be hiding the murder of a child. This rather hopeless approach is doomed to fail, since Norway is still a state based on upholding the rule of law, and what we see here does not withstand scrutiny. The question of the actor's competence in this case has thus been passed to the participating lawyers, and this letter has also been forwarded to the police, court and district attorney in Stavanger. The court could declare itself incompetent, or the lawyers could, through the Court Act, or what is known in Norway as the Domstolloven, raise questions surrounding the court's competence, which could potentially postpone the court hearings. It seems strange to most people that this case should proceed without question. Thank you for your attention.